Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, steering wheel controls, heated mirrors, MP3. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2017 Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio, FWD, rear defrost. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.